Hey guys, Justice Hart here. In this video, I'll show you how to edit videos using CapCut Online Video Editor. If you have been following my previous tutorials, you would already know we've covered removing video background using CapCut Online Video Editor. Now let's dive even deeper into the extensive capability of the CapCut Online Video Editor. CapCut stands out as one of the premier video editing tools available. I discovered CapCut through their user-friendly app which I installed on my phone, and I've been using it ever since. Integration of AI technology significantly enhances the capability of the CapCut Online Video Editor. CapCut is a versatile tool offering features like speech-to-text, text-to-speech, video transcription, background removal, filters, effects, text overlays, music, and sound effects. It caters to a broad spectrum of video editing needs. And the best part is, it's completely free, no credits required. Unlike many other software options, CapCut lets you use its full range of features without any limitation. To get started, create an account or sign in if you already have one. Once done, click on Open CapCut. Inside the CapCut Online Video Editing workspace, you will find a media file tab showing all the files you import, followed by the templates, stock videos, photos, audio, text, captions, stickers, effects, transition, and filters tab. In today's tutorial, we will focus on the auto captioning feature. CapCut's AI detects spoken words, making it easy to utilize the text in your video. To begin, upload the file you want to work on by clicking the plus sign or dragging and dropping. After the upload, you will receive instructions on adding keyframes. The example video in this tutorial is about finding songs by humming. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check it out. CapCut offers animation effects, which are especially useful for social media posts. You can modify parameters like opacity and transformations. To utilize the auto caption feature, head over to the Captions tab. The auto lyrics feature can detect song lyrics and generate captions. Click on the auto caption to initiate the auto captioning process.
You want to find songs by humming.
While CapCut is powerful, you may experience some lag. Unfortunately, there's no option to reduce video playback quality, which could improve user experience. Adjust the caption settings and font style to suit your preferences. You can modify captions collectively, change font styles, and adjust their position. Ensure to check for commercial use if you plan to use the videos you edit commercially. Any adjustment you make to any of the captions is automatically applied to the others, which is a lifesaver. Once done editing, click on Export, download, choose your preferred settings, and click on Export again. Then download the file to your computer,
Apps like SoundHound,
or share it on social media directly. CapCut Online Video Editor is an excellent free tool for video editing with numerous extensive features and capabilities. You can install it on your phone or PC to experience the full extent of its feature with minimal issues. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let us know if there's any other app you would like me to review. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.